Hello TFT traders! In this video, we will explore the functionalities of the Trade Manager and see how it can optimize your trading experience. Before we get started, if you're wondering how to install it, click the link in the corner or check the description to watch the video where I show the installation process. Now, let's dive in and check how the Trade Manager can benefit your trading strategy. Firstly, you may select your preferred trading option by either clicking on the buy or the sell button. If you wish to execute a trade immediately, you may click on market. But before doing that, you can input the number of points that should be your stop loss and take profit and select them if you would like to have ones. In case you wish to set a pending order, you should input your entry price and either select limit or stop order. If you prefer using fixed risk per trade, you should input your desired risk percentage, and the Trade Manager will calculate your position size accordingly. You need to ensure that the stop loss is marked and the fixed lot is not. However, if you wish to use fixed lot, you should mark the fixed lot and input the desired lot size. Moreover, the Trade Manager offers the option to set your stop loss to break even after a certain amount of points. You may mark the offset option if you prefer to be slightly positive. Additionally, you have the option to utilize a trailing stop. For instance, if you would like to have a trailing stop of 20 pips, you can mark the option and input 200 points. You can also input a trailing step, indicating after how many pips of movement you would like the trailing stop to move again. Now, you can execute your trades with confidence, knowing that you have the right tools at your fingertips. With the Trade Manager, you can take advantage of the great trading opportunities as soon as they arise. You won't have to waste time switching between platforms or calculating your position size manually. Instead, you can focus on what really matters: making profitable trades. We hope you find it useful, and we wish you best of luck with your trading.